Hello guys, myself Abhay Singh and I am third year electronics student of DJ Sangvi College of Engineering. So today I am going to demonstrate you design of Smith trigger and its application. So basically I am going to explain you four circuits: inverting Smith trigger, a stable multi-vibrator, ramp and wave generator and sawtooth generator. So our first and so this is my word file. I have made my word file for all these four circuits. So our first circuit is inverting Smith trigger. So for this circuit we required some basic calculation for R1, R2, V set and our upper trigger point and lower trigger point. So I have calculated the following values using formulas, and I am getting R1 as 1.5k, R2 as 1k, and our V set is 6 volt, and upper trigger point is plus 6 volt and lower trigger point is minus 6 volt. So let us go to our LT Spice software and do the simulation. So this is the circuit which I have made for inverting Smith trigger. So this is inverting Smith trigger, and it is also called as negative feedback comparator because it has a feedback loop with voltage divider circuit, as you can see on my screen. So our upper trigger point is plus 6 volt and lower trigger point is minus 6 volt, and its V in is given to inverting terminal of the op amp OP07, which is, and we will run our simulation and see the output. So I will give my probe to V in and probe to V out. So as you can see, this is our input waveform which is in green one, and this is our output waveform which is in blue one. Now I am going to make this as pink. Okay, so as you can see in the output, whenever V in is plus nearly equal to plus 6 volt, our output is going to minus V set in negative saturation, and whenever V in is nearly equal to minus 6 volt, then our output is going to positive V set, in positive saturation. So likewise I have done the following output configurations for 50 Hz, 500 Hz, 1 kHz, 5 kHz and etc. So our next circuit is a stable multi-vibrator. A stable multi-vibrator, it is also called a square wave generator circuit because it generates a square wave at its output. Next, for the circuit also we require some calculations which I have done in the circuit for R and C, for resistance and capacitor as 4.55 kilohertz and as capacitor as 0.1 microfarad. So next we will go into simulation of the circuit, which is a stable multi-vibrator. So this is the circuit which I have made it, a stable multi-vibrator. It is also had feedback loop with voltage divider circuit, and our R1 resistor R1 is 4.55 kilo ohms, and our capacitor is 0.1 microfarad. So I am going to run this simulation, and I am going to give my probe to V in as well as probe to V out. So you can see the output state is controlled by the capacitors charging and discharging. These output states of output state of the circuit, output waveform of the circuit is controlled by the charging and discharging of capacitor through resistor R1. Likewise I have done for the stable multi-vibrator, and our next circuit is ramp generator. So this circuit I am going to show you on LT Spice software, which is this one. So this is the circuit which I have made it. So ramp wave generator circuits, first part is similar to a stable multi-vibrator. As you can see, a stable multi-vibrator is same as ramp wave generator first. It also has feedback loop with voltage divider circuit, and in this circuit I have given as R1 as 10 kilo ohms and our capacitor is 0.5 microfarad. So I am going to run this simulation. So I am going to give my probe to negative V in and to our V out. So you can see this is the output I am getting for the ramp wave generator. So getting an appropriate output with respect to given input. So our next circuit is sawtooth wave generator. So sawtooth wave generators has some Zener diodes, as you can see D1 and D2, and it is also having a feedback loop with voltage divider circuit. So let's see this circuit in our LT-Spice. So this is circuit for sawtooth wave generator. I am going to run this simulation also. Now I will give my probe to V in and V out. V out like this. So as you can see, I am getting this blue line is for the voltage coming here. So thank you very much for watching the video.